guys, Kingdom Hearts Light here to show you how to make a new Vtuber outfit for your vroid models my way and how I do it. So come along with me on this journey. And cue the intro. And we're back. Okay, so I have vroid open. Let me just move my model up so you can see her. This is one of the outfits I found on Booth. Yeah, I have been using Booth to load up the models. Let me open it up. Open. Not on that site. I don't want to use my regular browser. I like using Google Chrome. Thank you. Okay. So this is one of the outfits. I have an instance in putting on my vroid model. Okay, so we've got a couple of things here. We've got mini T-layer shirt, hoodie layer jacket, pants, skin layer tights. Okay. So that's what we need to do. Got our vroid model right here. Nice and pretty, if I do say so myself. Okay. So create a new item. Want a mini t-shirt. And we're gonna do is change the texture. Yeah, right over here. Add a texture. So one thing we need to do is skin mask. What I need to do is change the color of the skin underneath white. Here. Yeah, this part right here. This is where the arms will be invisible. So what we're gonna do is paint it white. Increase the brush width a little bit so that way you can see. Once we get rid of this, and you can hit the mirror tool as well to make it more easier. So we hit this mirror tool. Make sure you get rid of that mirror tool for that. For this, get all the black stuff. That way your skin won't become visible. Okay, there we go. That's all that. Then we go back to the outfit. Then what we can do is input a texture. Go to desktop. Go here. And we need this one. Look at that. That looks really cool, huh? Now I can like show you what it looks like inside when it's in. All the butterflies and everything. Okay. Now we can do is like add a template. We need to add in what it says on here. Hoodie. The hoodie layer. So we need a hoodie. So let's get the hoodie out. Okay. Let's click on the hoodies. Might need to make it shorter. Hoodie layer. Yeah, so the hoodie layer is a bit shorter. Let's see. So let me see what it looks like with the texture on it. Put the texture. Rainbow butterfly jacket. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Then we do is skin mask. Okay, so that still shows invisible. That's good. Look at that. That looks really cool. Look at that little butterfly behind her hair. I'm actually liking this. Okay. So we got that outfit. We got that part. So next part will be pants layer. Okay, so we need to add another template. Bottoms. Pants. Texture. Let's go down here. And put. Oh, we need to do with shorts. Okay, so we need to change this pants to shorts. Delete, add template, add bottoms, and they need to be shorts. Okay, now that makes more sense. I'm just getting a drink. Okay, now what we need to do is put in the texture of the pants that we want. Input. There we go. Oh, I definitely like the color scheme. It's really pretty. Do 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 do. Then we need to add in skin layer types. Add a template. Okay, that's in the skin layer. So I think we're pretty much done here. I think we need to add in the shoes. Lines. Add in another pair of shoes. Well, what kind of shoes are these? Sneaker base. Okay, sneakers. Let me turn off those. Okay. Definitely going on the right track here. So we need to input texture for the shoes. Yes, like that. So we need to increase the height. Let's see here. Okay. Layer capacity. Okay, I think that's good. I don't think it's these kind of layer. Okay, that's full height. Okay, here it is. 150. So 150. That's type that in. 150. Oh yeah. Window not on. Okay. If I can click on this, 50. There we go. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Let's see here. Use textures. This one I definitely want to save, but I don't know how to save those. Textures. So we're gonna do that. Lower. Okay, so that's not that bad. Input. I think I could do is fun. Let me see if I can do is okay, colors, textures. Okay, that's that. Alright, give it that shot. Okie dokie. I think we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Textures. Let me review this. Use texture. Okay, this needs to this. Yeah, so that way. That's a little better. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's showing up back up there. Okay, there we go. So let's see, what else do I need to add to this character? And scan those layer types. Okay, so we're done with the customization. Save as new items. I'll be saving those as new items. There we go. Now we do go to body, custom, import, create new. Let's see here. Edit textures, import. There we go. Ah, invisible. Hold on, I think I'll fix that. I have to. I think I know what I need to do. It's white. Let me import the design. Yeah, I think I know what I need to do. Make that big. Oops. Hold these. That all white. Actually, add data colors, combination colors. Let me try to do that. Do I need to add a new layer? Let's see if I add a new layer. Import. Maybe that works. That's weird. Okay. I don't know why like the skin is not showing up. That's weird though. But if it can't be shown up, let me try something else. Try the belt. I don't think the belt will show up on here. Okay, let me. Ah, invisible. Okay, let me see. Try showing the. Not export. Import. Import. Does it go on skin? Let me look at the instructions. Skin layer types. Okay. Okay, let me just get rid of this. Go back. Zero stop saving. Okay. Gotta figure something out. Preset. Outfit. Maybe socks. Let's try the socks. Import. Create new. Blank. Edit textures. Okay, import. That looks a lot better. Not invisible anymore. Okay, now I figure that out. You guys figure out that too. Okie dokie. That's that. That's the outfit. Got a brand new outfit on us. Looking good, I do say so myself. Here in the shoes. Yep. Okie dokie. We got the outfit we wanted. And I'm definitely gonna be using this. So this is how I'm able to do it on vroid. I might change my hair at some point, but I'm sticking with my purple. Okie dokie. Save as new items. Yep, here it is, our new outfit. It's really cool, huh? Now we're going to do export as a VRM. This part will probably take the longest because it's long. Let's see here. Perfect. I look like a rock star with my angel wings outfit. Jacket might be getting used to, but I like it. Okie dokie. Now let's export. Let's change the title, player, and I don't really need all that. I'm not like posting it on anywhere else. I'm just exporting it. Go to my desktop. Go to my folder. Sorry, a constant player here. So let's make that 12. There we go. Export that. And we have everything pretty much all set. What's it stop things? It does that. Okay. Once it finishes processing, you have pretty much everything all done with that. Then let me show you the finished project. Like that. Save. Of course, you want to save. Save the model. If it loads up correctly, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it do. Okay, there we go, saved. Then what we do is load up Easy Face. Yeah, I'm doubled. Triple, doubled. Okay. Avatar selection. You load up your avatar. Well, there's it. Here it is. Then you press select. There we go. That menu open. See what I mean? Got brand new outfit. All here. There might be a glitch or two in here, but that's okay. New outfit. New outfit. I don't even mind the glitch. But besides that, that's how you do it. That's how you're able to change your outfit in V-Boy. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future VTuber content.